My name is Jill, and this, whoa, is the Jump with Jill show, which means I will be your entertainment this afternoon. Clap for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Clap for me because I love that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love music. Please raise your hand if you love music. Hands down. And I love food. Please raise your hand if you love food. Hands down. So, I put my two favorite things together. Whoa. To create the greatest rock and roll nutrition show that you have ever seen. It is also the only rock and roll nutrition show that you will ever see. Thank you. Thank you so much, DJ. This is Robert. Everybody say, hey, Robert.
Hey, guys.
Sup. This is Broccoli Rob. Say that.
Broccoli Rob.
And that's DJ Robert, so I like to call him by a super secret DJ name. Repeat after me. DJ Broccoli Rob. Say that.
DJ Broccoli Rob.
But he told me he likes it when we're super loud, so let's try that again. Ready? DJ Broccoli Rob.
DJ Broccoli Rob.
Nice. So what I need to know right now is, are you ready to rock? All right, arms up like this. And when I say, are you ready to rock? You say rock. Let's try. Are you ready to rock?
Rock!
Nice.